What's up, everybody? Robert has a bonus here on Magic Pearl. Go ahead, 10-cent denom, 250 bet. He has a 12.50 ball, $5 ball, lots of balls. Let's go. Actually, he has pearls. He doesn't have any balls here. He has pearls.
Yep. Save it.
Oh my gosh. Alright, it's better than mine just now. 40 bucks, we'll take it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Alright, everybody, I am in the free spins here on Lightning Link. High stakes, my favorite one. Alright, that's $187.50. This is 10-cent denom. I wasn't gonna film it because my phone is really dying after 2 lives. And but we're gonna film this. Come on, fill it up. That's an awesome ball. I can't say I've ever got the $187.50, but I don't usually play $7.50 bets either. Come on, fill it. We're in the free games. Come on. Come on, these 6 spots are way too many. Come on, save it.
Save it.
I had a funny feeling on that. $187.50. All right, we're still in the free games though. Come on, 4 of 6, let's go. Chip. We need a re-trigger or a chip.
Chip.
Or a suitcase. Oh, we'll take that. That could be good. Cars all the way across. $289.50. Come on, last spin, but save it or a chip. Ooh, that mini is worth 100 too. All right, $289.50. We're gonna do a backup spin. Do it. One more. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. What's up, everybody? NES Slots here, and I am on Magic Pearl, 10-cent denom, 250 bet. And right now we have the Pearl bonus. That's 25 bucks. That's 10. That's 37.50, 12.50, $125 and 5. Let's go. Another 250. The mini is 100. The minor's 500. The major is 614 right now. Let's fill it up for the grand. Another $25 ball there. Come on. Another $5 ball. Come on, words. Words. Ooh. All right, we have the grand chance, everybody. Let's go. That grand is worth $11,093. We got 3 spins to do it. Show it. Come on. Get in there. Ball, get in there. Come on, Pearl. Do it. No. All right, still a decent bonus of $2.50. $307.50. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. That's awesome. See if we can get a backup bonus win. A backup spin, I meant. All right, we got 2 flippers. We'll do one more. Squeakers. I like the squeakers. All right. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Come on. All right, we're playing a little high stakes and 5-cent bet. Just a $1.25 bet. But we got some decent numbers. That's a $12.50. That's $5 there. Let's try to see what we can get. Over $1.25. Another $2.50 there. Maybe it'll surprise me and pop something huge. I was just warming up the machine. You know what, 30 bucks really is not bad for a $1.25 bet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Nickel right here, hit the bonus. Look at this, everybody.
Play the Lightning Link at the MGM Brain and Las Vegas. Come join us.
Wild
Nice hit coming.
Keep going. about another re-trigger?
Yeah, we got it once. It'd be nice to do it again, huh? Re-trigger.
How about wire?
Re-trigger, then it's start
Come on. Re-trigger. Alright, last spin. Save it. Alright.
2,404 big ones.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And check out our monthly giveaways.
Alright, gonna wait for this handy. What's up, everybody? NES Slots here at Sahara, and I just got the bonus. I put like a $66 ticket in here on 10-cent denom. We got 5, 10, that mini is 100, so let's go. Fill it up. I find a lot of the times when it does the 8 to start, that it doesn't pop a lot more. But here we go, let's fill it up. Come on, 6 spots is too many. Save it, come on. Oh yeah. Another mini maybe, a minor for 500 would be awesome right now. Come on, 5 spots is too many. Save it. Save it. Awesome. Get that 250. Let's go, fill it up. All right, 4 spots is too many. Save it. Ooh, and it did. Last second save. Come on, throw in another mini, a minor. Come on. 3 spots. Come on, too many. Fill it out. Save it. All right. $160, 250 bet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. We're gonna do a backup spin here. Oh my God. If only this line here was a little bit different. 2 more squeakers. We'll play a couple spins here. Fun video. Let's go. Oh, we needed 1 more. All right, last one, and then we will see you on the next bonus. Love you guys. What's up, everybody? NES Slots here at Cosmo in Las Vegas, Nevada. We got 1250 bets going on 25-cent denom on Magic Pearl. Let's go. We got the 3 squeaker bonus, 6 free games. Let's go. Make this count. Not like that. Fill it up with money. Oh, there's some 10s. 10s all the way across anyway. That helps. Let's go. Hand pay for us. We want that pearl in the middle. All right, we're at like 102.50 in the bonus so far. Come on. Re-trigger or the orb. Ooh, that orb. All right, there's some jacks. All right, come on. Orb. Oh, re-trigger. We'll take that. Robert and I both win on this together. Come on. Orb. Come on, Pearl. Nothing like that. We don't want those. Pearl. Yeah. Oh, yes. Wow, that's an awesome one, too. That's 25% of that right there. That is awesome. 750. Come on. Fill it up. Come on. Fill it. Drop it. Come on. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, that mini's $250. This is a hand pay. This is a hand pay. I hope so. No, I know so. Come on. All right. Save it. Oh, we got one more left. 3 spots, way too many. Come on, can we drop that minor for $12.50?
Oh.
Come on, do it. Save it. All right. Woohoo! Yeah.
Still on the bonus.
We are still in the bonus. What's this? Oh, that's the hand pay right there. Plus, we already have money down there. All right. No, we already have it.
Right.
I mean, just this is the hand pay. All right, Robert and I went in on this together, so let's go. We got 2 spins left. Do it again. Oh, we got jacks. Come on, re-trigger or another awesome pearl. Come on, pearl. Re-trigger or a pearl. All right. Awesome. We got a hand pay. 5,600 divided by 4. Hey. Woohoo! Look at this. Hand pay. All right. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Hey, Pickle Rick just showed up.
I didn't know if you
Just in
needed
time
this.
for the hand
have
pay.
you.
I wasn't even, I was just filming the hand pay. I started doing the bonus, so thank you for bringing that over though. All right, good time for me and Robert to go in together a little bit. All right, we're gonna wait for this hand pay and we will see you guys soon. Love ya.